If you're looking for an easy way to send and receive money from friends and family, you may be considering using a mobile payment app like Cash App or Venmo. But which one is better? In this video, we will compare Cash App versus Venmo to help you decide which one is actually right for you. So first of all, let's start with the basics. You can see I have both the Venmo app as well as the Cash App installed on my device. Basically, both Cash App and Venmo are mobile payment apps that allow you to send and receive money from friends and family. They are both free to use, but there are some differences between the two. So basically, whenever you open Cash App, you know that Cash App is actually owned by Square, a company that provides payment processing services to small businesses. Cash App allows you to send and receive money as well as buy and sell Bitcoin. You can also use the app to get a debit card linked to your Cash App account. Venmo, on the other hand, is actually owned by PayPal, a well-known processing company. Venmo allows you to send and receive money, split expenses, and even make purchases from select merchants. So basically, when it comes to fees, both Cash App and Venmo are free to use for personal transactions. However, Cash App charges a 1.5% fee for instant deposits to your bank account, while Venmo charges 1% fee only for instant transfers. Now, on the other hand, Cash App also has basically a feature called Boost, which provides instant discounts on purchases made with your cash card at participating merchants. Venmo does not offer this feature. Now, basically, when you go to Venmo, on the other hand, Venmo actually has a social feed feature that allows you to see the transactions of your friends and family on the app. Cash App again does not offer this feature. So which app is really better? It really depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you're looking for a simple and straightforward payment app, Cash App may be the better choice for you. However, if you're interested in a social payment app that allows you to see what your friends are up to, Venmo may be the way to go. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which mobile payment app is right for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.